I'm going to talk about the construction and design of this retaining wall and the reason why the top of this wall ends here in a step, which was part of creating a practical height for gardening at this end of the terrace. The property owner is a keen gardener. We're starting our layout on the far end and working our way back to where the wall ends in its step configuration. And in this case, the property owner chose to have a more neat, finished look. That's technically the last block in this wall.
We're using pickets because they're stronger than the rebar.
We remove the block, replace the block in position.
And we're checking the backside to keep that flat.
So I'm just double checking with this brick up against the form to make sure it's all going to fit together later. Half the wall in one wet pour makes for an extremely strong wall. We add our rebar in, top it off with concrete, and trowel it out flat.
Lay your head upon my shoulder, shut off your thoughts and clear your mind.